If your hair has been feeling weak, dry, shedding excessively, or just not growing the way you want, this DIY shampoo might just become one of your favorite additions to your hair routine. Hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm making a DIY herbal hair growth shampoo using onion, rosemary leaves, cloves and bay leaves. I boiled all the ingredients together, strained the water and mixed it into my shampoo to create a scalp focused herbal cleanse. This combination is popular because it combines ingredients known for supporting scalp health, hair strength, reduced shedding, healthier looking hair over time. Onion is rich in sulfur, which is important because hair is made up of a protein called keratin, and sulfur helps support stronger hair strands. Many people use onion in hair care because it may help with reduced hair shedding, support stronger roots, improve scalp condition, support healthier hair growth over time. Onion also contains antioxidants and antibacterial properties that help support a cleaner scalp environment. Rosemary became extremely popular in the hair care world because people use it to help support scalp circulation and overall scalp health. Many people include rosemary in their routine because it may help support healthier hair growth, reduce excessive shedding, improve scalp circulation, strengthen weak hair strands, and also rosemary is especially popular in leave-ins, oils and shampoos because it's lightweight and easy to use consistently. Cloves are commonly used in DIY hair care because they contain antioxidants and may help stimulate the scalp. People often use cloves because they may help support thicker looking hair, improve scalp circulation, reduce scalp buildup, strengthen weak edges and roots. Cloves also have antibacterial properties that can support scalp cleanliness. The last ingredient is bay leaves. Bay leaves are known for helping support scalp health and reducing dryness and flakes. People use bay leaves because they may help soothe the scalp, reduce dandruff, improve shine, support healthier hair overall. Now, over to how I made this. To make the herbal mixture, I boiled the onion. I first of all diced the onion just like you are seeing here. After dicing, I boiled the onion, rosemary leaves, cloves and bay leaves together in water for like 10 minutes. Boiling helps extract the beneficial compounds from the herbs into the water. You can also choose to infuse this overnight. Now, when you boil this, once the herbs are infused into the water, it helps to create a concentrated herbal rinse. Once everything is boiled properly, I strained the mixture to separate the liquid from the ingredients. Then I added the herbal water into my shampoo to create a DIY herbal shampoo blend. Or let's say that I added my shampoo into the DIY to create a DIY herbal shampoo blend. Adding my shampoo into the herbal mixture is a simple way to combine cleansing with scalp care. Instead of using plain shampoo alone, this method allows the scalp to benefit from the herbal ingredients while cleansing the hair. This can make wash day feel more nourishing while still helping remove dirt, oil and buildup from the scalp. One thing I've learned about healthy hair is that your scalp condition matters just as much as the products you use on your strands. A lot of people focus only on oils, creams, and styling products, but if your scalp is constantly dry, irritated, or full of buildup, it becomes harder for your hair to thrive. That's one reason why herbal hair care has become so popular again, because people are going back to simple ingredients. They enjoy routines that feel gentler and more intentional. And honestly, some of the most popular hair ingredients today have actually been used traditionally for generations. Rosemary, cloves, onion, and bay leaves, they are all ingredients that people have incorporated into hair routines in different cultures for years. And one thing I personally enjoy about DIY hair care is the experience itself, because if you know me, I love to experiment with my hair a lot. Taking time to boil the herbs, watching the water change colors, straining everything, and turning it into a shampoo feels relaxing and intentional. Wash day stops feeling rushed and starts feeling like actual self-care. Another reason I like adding herbal mixtures into shampoo is because shampoo is already part of the routine. A lot of people struggle to stay consistent with oils, sprays, and treatments because they forget to use them daily. But shampoo is something most people already use. So combining herbs with it makes the process easier. And consistency matters a lot in hair care. Please do not just expect to use something once or a particular treatment once and then you want to see magic. No. Many people expect overnight growth, but healthy hair routines usually take patience. Sometimes the first thing people notice is not even length, it's less shedding, then maybe softer hair, then stronger strands, then maybe over time, healthier looking growths and better length retention. Because growth is one thing, but retaining the hair is another thing completely. I always say this. A lot of people's hair actually grows, but breakage prevents them from seeing the length. That's why strengthening the hair and caring for the scalp is so important. Also put into consideration that what works for one person may not work the exact same way for another person. That's why consistency, patience, and paying attention to your own hair is important. If you know me so well, if you've been following my channel, you know I talk about this a lot. Understand your hair, know your hair, pay attention to your hair. Your hair will usually tell you what it likes. If your scalp feels calmer, if your hair feels softer, if your wash days become easier, these are good signs that your routine is supporting your hair. Also, don't forget that healthy hair routines are not just about products. Things like reducing excessive heat, avoiding tight hairstyles, moisturizing regularly, eating properly, protecting your hair at night, all of these things work together. Once again, natural hair care is all about consistency and building routines that support healthy hair over time. Simple ingredients like onion, rosemary, cloves, and bay leaves have remained popular for generations because many people enjoy using them as part of their regular hair care routine. After making sure that the shampoo and the herbal rinse are properly combined together, I proceeded to add that into my applicator bottle that I'll be using to apply directly on my scalp. This particular DIY is specifically meant for your scalp. Start with your scalp and then let the lather go through the length of your hair, but make sure you concentrate on your scalp. If you decide to try this DIY herbal shampoo, remember to stay consistent, pay attention to how your hair responds, and most importantly, enjoy the process because healthy hair care should feel sustainable, not stressful. If you enjoyed watching this video as always, please do like, share to someone that needs to see this, drop a comment and let me know if you'll be trying this or if you like videos like this or the kind of videos you would want to see from me going forward. And subscribe if you've not subscribed to join the family. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, peace. Bye.